Hi, what I want to show you today is a cutlery holder from Royal Catering. It's actually a very simple but a very useful device, and you can use it basically in any gastronomical business you want. So first of all, it comes in handy on a buffet, where you just drop your cutlery in front of your guests to serve themselves with whatever they need. Also in a fast food stand with disposable cutlery, also for your customers to serve themselves. And it's also very useful in the wash-up area in a restaurant, where you would sort the cutlery and drop it there for drying before it is going to be polished. So this particular model comes in stainless steel from tops to bottoms. It comes with 6 inserts in the set. The cutlery holders are also made of stainless steel with the really nice polish to it. What's really great, you can actually drop your cutlery in it and put it in the dishwasher for sanitizing and for boiling out. So that's actually quite cool. If you are using the cutlery holder for drying and you're putting wet cutlery in it, just remember there is no bottom in the machine, so there is no place where the drops could go. So in order to avoid any leaks on your countertop, just always remember to place a tray or something underneath it. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So if you're looking for a cutlery holder, please have a look at the website. There is a smaller version of this one with just 4 cutlery holders in it. There's also a couple of models without the cutlery holders in the set, just in case if you have a lot of these for some reason and you just need the frame by itself. All right, so if you ordered this one, it will come with a 3-year warranty, but literally there's not much that can break. But if something happens, you're pretty safe for 3 years. You can send it back, they fix it for you. And it will arrive to your place in a really sturdy cardboard box with some packaging material in it, so it's safe on its journey to your place. All right, so if you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other equipment I can test for you. Remember, I'm your hands-on expert. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.